In this episode, a couple argues over texts late at night, revealing how attachment styles shape conflict responses and repair cues. An expert explains that labeling emotions and numbing needs early reduces blame and opens space for collaborative problem solving. A relatable scene shows one partner requesting space and the other misreading it as withdrawal, then they reset with a shared pause. The commentary highlights practical tips like scheduled check-ins, reflective listening, and micro-apologies that validate feelings without escalation. Viewers are invited to try a 5-minute emotion diary and notice how tiny shifts unlock deeper connection.